Welcome back. Another episode of Bandana Canic. They got a new one here. It's honestly something I've never had to mess with before, so we'll both be figuring this out on our own. But he complained of a hard start. I'm not really having trouble. Likely it's going to be the battery. It's an old EverStart, which I call never starts. They're really pieces of junk. Get them at Walmart on a budget, but they're not worth a turd. The other complaint, the deck, it doesn't adjust, and that's what I'll be tackling in this video. We're both going to learn, because like I said, I work on a lot of stuff, but I don't always have to deal with these certain types of things. And what the heck is that? Yeah. But again, you don't have to have done it before to know how to do it. I'm mechanically inclined enough to figure out how stuff works. So if you have a Aaron or Gravely ZTX 52 with the knob, this has the knob adjust for the deck height along with the assist pedal. I haven't looked at it yet, so we're both looking at this for the first time. I'm gonna go ahead and lift it. I don't know where I'm gonna put you for now, because I gotta look around under here and figure this out. Oh man, need to get the old knee savers. Need a flashlight. See how all this works. Sucks, I really gotta take pressure off this thing, but it's so dang heavy. Oy. Alright, so if I disconnect that from the deck, might be easier to deal with. Again, we're learning this together, folks, so that clip off there, a washer, and this rod. Hello. Watch the old fingers. Make it. Another white washer. I'll show you all this in a minute. Because the way it is, it's all jammed up in here. It's going to be hard to see. Ooh. Shoot. Good golly. Oh. Guess if I take, oh, right in the old bunkus. So, okay, let's see. Guess I can take the deck off. Go ahead and put this back together because that ain't gonna do it. Another reason I didn't really show you because, like I said, I haven't had to mess with this before. I've never had one of these break. What I'm gonna do is take the deck off to release the weight. Gonna be (9/16). This gonna be a finger smasher. You ain't careful. Okay. Bolt and bushing. All right. Simple enough. Let me get pressure off that. Alright. Oh yeah, get that back. That should release some of the, no. Guess you gotta take them all off. Simple enough still. So there's 4. Hello. All right. Well, this one's this one be a little tricky. But we'll get it. There. Alright. Oi. Ow. El Swusherino. Watch the fingers, folks. Now, maybe. Let's see if this moves easier now. Oh, yeah, okay. Get that weight off there. Now I can really mess with it by myself. Alright. Okay, so, what do we got here? Wonder. Guess I'll take you on a quick thing what I did here. So I needed to get the weight off that bar. There's 4 of these, one in the front, one in the back on each side. Take the bolts out, they drop down. The mechanism in question, see if we can see. You see back there. Yeah. That's attached to a shaft that goes all the way up to there. And it's supposed to spin, and it's not. I'm going to try cleaning it and then oil and see if that helps. Seems like there's a lot of dirt and grime back in here, so try not to breathe that in or you'll be floating. Little air gun. Going crazy, folks. Oh, this thing. Oh, that sucks. Wasn't doing that before. So, might be getting somewhere. Be right back. Alrighty, I'm back. Had a customer. So it seems my little cleaning and lubrication thing might have fixed her. We're gonna go ahead and get the deck back on and see if it'll adjust. Seems like it's working already. Go ahead and get this. Ain't gonna have some muscle for this. Boy. Maybe a couple of hopes and prayers. Yo. Alright. Alright, got one bolt in. Number 2. I said number 2, that's right. Get your muscle up. There's number 2. This is gonna be the tough one. The old girl in the back. I'm gonna need to put her up on something. Have to put her up on something. Old air filter will work. You just gotta get her up in the air. Oh. All right. Get her hanging. Get her bang, bang, bang. Da 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 da. Yo. Oh, fudge. Fudge, fudge, fudge. Oh. Alright, folks. Shall we see if the deck adjusts? Right now it's at the lowest. Gotta use a little bit of foot power. Now it's at the highest. Yep. So, Yeah, she's adjusting now. I don't know if you guys learned anything. I'm gonna bolt her back up. I'll go through what I did again. The first thing I tried is taking this bar off that. Didn't work too well. So, 1, 2, 2 more on the other side. Dropped the deck, got the weight off of here. Cleaned out the mechanism. Used some brake clean, carb cleaner, whatever. Blew it out. Hit it with a good amount of PB Blaster and worked the handle until it loosened up real well. Bolted it back up. Now we got a working deck. Again, I haven't messed with that before, but things work certain ways and you either understand it or you don't. This was particularly easy because it's just a mechanical thing. There's no electronic stuff. So, got her done. You have any other questions? If you want to tell me I did something wrong, say that I helped you, whatever it might be, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.